Hello everyone. Welcome to this advanced SEO course. I don't know where did you find this course, whether I'm running some ads to send you this course somewhere, or you are finding this course over YouTube, or you have joined my Facebook group, or you have find this course over there, or you were my intern, previous intern, somebody else who I have sent this course personally. But I have recorded this course because I was seeing a lot of courses over there on YouTube, and a lot of people are sending a lot of courses, but they are not up to the mark. Okay, so what they are doing, they are making a bundle of some small videos, collecting from here and there. They don't have any industry experience, and they are sharing this 99 rupees course on something like this everywhere. And I feel so sad about the industry because all these people, all those people who are selling you this course or whichever course is there on the YouTube, they are not advanced. You won't be able to learn anything from these courses. So I have recorded this course. I have around 4 years or more than 4 years of experience in this digital marketing field. And why I have recorded this course is because this was the first skill in digital marketing which I have learned when I started my career in digital marketing. So I will just give you a brief background about myself. Hi, my name is Shekhawat, and currently I am running a digital marketing agency. I started my career as an entrepreneur because after leaving my college, I started a business over. I started business. It was an adventure travel business, and when I started the business, I didn't know any skill. I didn't have any skill at that time. So the first thing which I wanted to do for my business was to market the products, the events which we were selling to the people around. And at that point of time, I found out digital marketing, and I think it is boon which gave me a lot in my life. So that is why I'm sharing this course. I'm recording all these videos. There will be around 50 videos, I guess. I don't know how many videos I'm going to record for this course, but a lot of videos will be there, and you are going to learn everything from basic. And I will make a small Facebook group also so that we can clear the doubts, and let's see what happens next. But where were we? So yeah, this was the first skill which I learned because see, when I started my business, I didn't have any money, and I wanted to grow my business without spending any penny on advertisement, on any agency or something like this. So this was the first skill because it didn't require any money, right? You can just work on your website, you can rank pages, and you can get a ton of traffic. And this was super cool. When I learned about this, that I can know how many people are searching for my products, and I can optimize things based upon that. It was super cool for me, and I was so amazed that I dived into this industry, and I have been quite successful with a lot of ventures and a lot of startups that I'm working with in consulting. So yeah, and that is why I'm recording this course because I think this is going to help a lot of people out there. If you are running a blog, you want to rank your blog, get a ton of traffic over there. If you are just a college student, you want to earn some extra cash by working for some freelancing projects. This is going to be very beneficial for you because see, uh, when you are learning this course and you if you are when you are applying all the skills, right, you are not spending any money of your client, you are not spending any money on your business. This is the biggest advantage of SEO. You don't have to spend anything. You need to work on your website, you need to spend your time, and you can get the results. And a lot of people are saying that sees that performance marketing is the future or this and that, but SEO will remain. SEO will be there because in some industries it's very difficult to just depend on performance marketing. It's not so possible, right? So SEO will be there, SEO will remain. If not in your uh, the bottom funnel, but on the top funnel, it will be the best thing that you can do for your business, for your blogs, whatever you want to do. So let's just dive into the course. I will just take you on my laptop screen. On over there, I'm going to show you step by step. So I'm going to record this all the modules of this course in bits and pieces. I have somehow formulated all this thing. It took me a lot of time. So I think you will like this course and you will benefit from this course, because this is my intent, that people should benefit from the course that I'm recording. So yeah, let's dive into the course. I will just take you on my laptop screen, and over there I have made some slides. Okay, so because see, it's very difficult to remember all those things, how we are going to formulate things, what will the structure of the course and all those things. So I have made some slides, around 50 plus slides are there, and we are going to cover each and everything that will help you get the skill and master the skill. So let's dive into this. I'm just sharing my screen over here so you can follow the link. So you can see my screen over here. And so yeah, this is the search engine optimization course, which is also called SEO. SEO, if you want to just break it down, search engine optimization. So what is a search engine? Whenever you are searching something on any platform, okay, that is called search engine. So the biggest search engine is Google, we all know. Then YouTube, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, DuckDuckGo. So all these are search engine platforms. And now the third word is optimization. So you are optimizing for this platform, which is a search engine. Why? Because a lot of people will be searching for the product that you want to sell, that you want to rank for, and you want to optimize, because see, only 10 results will be there by default on Google or any other search engine. So if only 10 results are there, how you're going to traffic? Only if you are there on the very first page of Google or Bing or Yahoo or Index. If you're not on this first page of Yandex and Yahoo, Google, then you're not getting the traffic that you deserve. And that is why this skill is so needed. So I run a digital marketing company. The name of the company is Invincible. I just started this before this lockdown started, and that is why I record this course also to so that this can benefit all the people. So we have this. I just explained you what is search engine optimization. So this is the second slide, and I will just go there and present it. Right, that will be better. So I think this is a full screen that you can see easily. And so what is SEO? SEO, as I have already told you, SEO is search engine optimization. This is the short form, SEO. Now, this is the full form. I have already discussed this, but it is the process of optimizing your website or web pages to rank on search engine organically and get free traffic. So this is an organic way to rank your pages, your web pages, your website on search engines. Search engines are, I have already told you, Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, DuckDuckGo. A lot more search engines are there, but you need to only focus on some major search engines, and the biggest search engine is Google. You need to focus on Google. So because whenever we will talk about SEO, we will talk about Google, because Google is the biggest player in search engine market. As you can see, a lot of people only use Google, right? So this is the organic process to rank any page. And if you're ranking, you don't have to spend any money on advertisement. This is the biggest thing, right? So yeah, so these are the search engines. Some examples of search engine. Yeah, so one more thing I want to tell you. Let's say the digital marketing. When we are searching for digital marketing, you can see this is the ad, right? So this company Upgrade is paying for this to rank for this particular keyword. This is a keyword. Digital marketing is your keyword. This is an ad. The ad this company is running. But this is not an ad. This is an organic result. So if a person is going on this link, they don't have to pay anything. They're getting this traffic for free. And a ton of people will be searching for the keyword that is digital marketing. If you're interested in digital marketing, obviously you want to get into it. You will just search on Google. And yeah, so whichever links are there on the very first page, you will visit those pages. So this is organic result. This is organic result. This is organic. So all these are organic results. And all these are ads, ad. And only 10 results are there on the very first page. So if you're not ranking on the very first page, obviously a lot of people will change the default setting to make it 100, 50, or 20. But on a default setting, only 10 results are there, and you want to rank over here, right? You want to rank over here, and so yeah, here are our slides. Now, uh, there are two different things. One is when you're trying to optimize something for the search engine for Google, let's say, for example, for Google, if you want to optimize something for Google, you need to understand why this person is typing these words, one word, two word, three word, or a whole sentence. Even if he's typing the whole sentence, you need to understand the intent, what this person wants. If you know what this person wants, it will be very easy for you to rank. It will be very easy for you to get the quality traffic. It will be very easy for you to define the objective and rank according to the objective that you are in. Okay. So the most important aspect of SEO is that you need to understand the search intent of a person and optimize your page according to that. I will give you an example over here. So let's say you are searching for shoes, right? So if you have mm, if you have searched sport shoes, okay, and you got a lot of results on the first page, and if I click on the very first page, very first result on Google, and as soon as you're visiting that page, instead of sport shoes, you are seeing a lot of professional or office shoes or school shoes. So what is going to be your reaction? Obviously, you are not going to visit that website, right? You are going to leave that website, visit another link as soon as possible. So if you want to keep your visitor on your website, you need to understand the search intent. This is a very important aspect of search engine or any other marketing. If you know what is the search intent of your customer, you are going to win the battle. And there is a interesting this fact over here. So in January 2020, online search engine Bing accounted for 5.53% of the global search market, while the leader, uh, which was Google, obviously, the market share of 87.35%. And this was a source statistica.com. In India, it's more than 95 or 97%. I'm sure for that. But obviously, on the world market, 87% is like monopoly. So that is why whenever a person is talking about search engine optimization, they will talk about Google because Google is the biggest search engine. Also, different search engines have different ranking factors considering important search engines in your SEO strategy according to your target audience. So let's say there are three main search engines, right? Let's say Google is there, then Bing is there, then Yahoo is there. Okay, so only three top search engines are there, and all the search engines have different ranking factors. But the most sophisticated search engine is Google because their algorithm is super cool. They can get your content super fast. They can fetch it. They can provide the best results and in the very limited amount of time and milliseconds, right? And whatever results you will get, the results are very relevant. But uh, uh, Google is so advanced that now they are not just talking about the things which are the basics of search engine optimization, how the machine works. Google is getting into how people people are going to look for things. So there are two different aspects: how a machine works, how people think, how people work, right? So Google is getting into people, or Google is becoming people oriented, and other search engines are still into this same old techniques that are the fundamentals of SEO. So when you are ranking for Google, there are high chances that you will rank for any other search engine. So you don't have to think about all the search engines, but obviously you have to think about at least Google and Bing. Now, what Google is saying, like in recent reports, Google have uh, suggested that they are not looking into all the fundamentals or structure and all these things on your website. They are looking at your content. But other search engines like Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, they're not capable enough to read your content and fetch it the best result for their searches. So what they are doing, still uh, they are still focused on the fundamental service, that is optimizing your meta tags and title and description and all those things. We will talk about all these things in the coming slides or coming videos, but I'm just giving you an overview. What is the difference? Why Google is the leader in search engine market? So yeah, so there are different factors. Google is very advanced. Other search engines are not that advanced, but still they can get you a lot of traffic. Let's say in India, if you are ranking for any keyword in India, your target country is India, then you might not be considering other search engine platforms. But if you're targeting US, if you have a client in US and if you want to rank your website in US, then you need to think about Bing also, because even if they have 5% or 10%, this is the fact that I have shown you over here. This is a global fact, but in US, this can be more. It's more than 5%. It can be 10%, right? So even if they have 10% share, it's traffic, right? You're getting free traffic from there. So you need to think about at least two different platforms. And Yahoo is also using the same algorithm which Bing is using. So if you are ranking on Bing, you will rank on Yahoo also. So yeah, so I think I have explained all these things over here very clearly. If you have any questions, I will open up all the question answers format. I will make a format for this so that how you can post questions. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, you can, if you have any question, you can just comment down below. I will answer all your questions. And if you are there in my group, Facebook group, you can ask your questions over there. I will answer all your questions over there. And yeah, I'm going to focus on the two different platforms. So if you have any questions, just comment down below and let me know. If you're understanding and if I need to change anything in my uh, delivery method so that you can understand better. So I think you have understood the basics, and that is what is search engine optimization, what is the search engine, and what you are going to get in this course when you're watching all these 50 videos over here, what you are going to get at the end. So you have some basic idea about this, right? So yeah, search engine optimization, the basics idea about search engine optimization goes over. Now, these are the basic requirements when you are ranking anything on any social or search engine or social media. So SEO requirements to rank better in search engine. So these are the requirements, and I'm going to talk about all these requirements one by one. First is crawlability for search engines. Now, what does this mean? Uh, let's say you have designed a website and you have uploaded some content over there and you are planning to rank one particular page on your website on search engine, but it won't be possible to rank if search engine, because you see how search engine is going to know that you have a website, what content is there, if they are going to find all the pages on your website. So search engine have bots. So what these bots will do, they will come to your website. There are ways to tell bots how they are going to crawl your websites, how they're going to follow instructions. So your crawlability of your website should be so smooth that search engine bots shouldn't be stuck at one place. They shouldn't be. Uh, it should be so smooth that they should be go through one page to another page. They should be able to find all the pages on your website, and they should be able to scan all the things that are there on the website. And how you're going to go do that? By following the fundamentals of search engine optimization, by telling Google, by telling all the search engine bots what you need to do when you are coming to my website. So this is one thing. Your website structure should be so clean, it should be so smooth for search engines according to guidelines of search engine, that the search engine should be able to crawl your website smoothly. The second thing is good content for the users. See, you can do all the tricks, all the you can use all the fundamentals over here while ranking uh, on the search engine to rank. If you want to rank on the search engine, you can try all the fundamentals, you can try all the tricks, you can rank over there. But let's say, even if you have ranked some of your keywords, let's say for black shoes in India, this is your keyword, or Adidas shoes in India, you have ranked for Adidas shoes in India, right? But as soon as your potential visitor is visiting your website, or the visitor is visiting your website, and they're finding the content is not very engaging, you have not written content up to the mark, your English is not very good, or your Hindi, if you're writing content in Hindi or any other language, your language is not very good, your copywriting skills is not very good, your formatting is not good, you are making big paragraphs, all these things, all this unnecessary stuffing of things is there. uh, your content is not talking about the thing which you have shown in your search engine result, sub result. So in sub result, you must have talked about buy these Adidas shoes in India. But as soon as this person is landing on this page, he is not able to find Adidas shoes over there. All other different shoes are there. So if your content is not relevant, then it's a big problem for you. So you need to think about crawlability, you need to think about content. Now, keywords optimized for search engine crawlers. So there is one thing we have already talked about keywords. What are keywords? When a person is searching for something on Google or any other platform, even on social medias, if we are typing some word, these are our keywords. These This is how search engine or any other platform works. They will search for the keywords which you are typing. They will scan for things. They are scanning for content. They are scanning for people according to the keywords that we are typing. If we will search for, let's say, Invincible line, my company, then Google will search what is Invincible line. There can be multiple Invincible lines, which I face some problems also. Like some person has a book on Invincible line. This is the title of the book. So I find some problem ranking my company name over there on the Google. And a few months ago, some people launched some game. The weapon, there was a weapon in the game, and then weapon name was Invincible Line. So that things were also ranking on Google at that time. So all those things are there. Now, how Google is going to determine? There are a lot of factors. We're going to talk about all these factors, but one of the biggest factors is the keyword. Your keyword should be optimized for search engines. So there is going to be one meta tab, and in the meta tab we are going to provide the keywords That we want to tell Google, okay, this page is about this particular keyword or related to this thing. Or in our content, we are going to provide all this keyword which we want to emphasize in our content, or tell Google that this content is about these particular keywords, these particular topics. The fourth thing is user experience. So what is user experience? Let's say you are visiting a creepy website. I will just give you an example over here. Craigslist. So yeah, see, we have visited this website, right? And now we are so confused because there are so many call to action, so many options are there. We don't know what to search, where to search. If I want to search for anything, where I'm going to do this, I'm not sure. So as soon as the user is coming over, he won't be able to find the desired thing. Now the user experience is very bad over here. Again, I have one client. This is one of our client. If we will go to this website, we are working on this website, so it will take some time. But over here, the thing is that it's taking a lot of time to load. See, still you are seeing loading. The website is not loading, and I am on a good internet, but the website is not loading fast. We are trying to uh, rectify a lot of errors are there in this website, a lot of optimization that are needed, and we are using two different servers to load, because so this is not a normal website. We are actually uh, we have three reports on this website, so these three reports taking a lot of time to load. So you're still loading. So yeah, we are optimizing. So this is one major factor. Let's say you are on a 3G network. As soon as you have clicked, we are ranking on the first page of Google. But as soon as you have clicked on the link which you are ranking for, and the person is not able to get on your website for, let's say, 5 seconds. So 5 seconds is a lot more internet world. It should be less than 3 seconds or 2.5 seconds. So if it is taking 5 seconds, too much in the internet world, and if your website is not opening, what this person will do, he will just go back and visit any other website. First, the people or your potential customer doesn't have this much time to wait for the website to load fast. To load, if it's taking too much time, this is a bad user experience. Your UI UX is not good, user experience is not good, and UI is not good. So I have shown you the example of Craigslist. Over there, I'm not able to find anything, right? So this is a bad example of UI UX. The readability is not good. So as soon as you are visiting some website and you have seen the chunks of paragraphs, a lot of paragraphs are there, so you won't be able to read anything, right? This is not well defined, not properly formatted with H1, H2 tags or proper indentation or numbering. So all these things are needed when you want to provide a good user experience for your visitors on your website. We have covered 4 points over here. The fifth point is shareable content. So uh, see, this is one of the major factor if you want to rank in Google. This is one of the biggest factor. If people like your content, what they will do? They will like, they will share, they will comment. And if this is not done, it will not give a lot of good signals to Google. So your content should be so good, whatever you are doing, whatever content you are producing, whatever whatever products you have, it should be shareable. If you are posting a content, people should be able to link this content to their website. They should be able to share this content with their friends. Let's say you have written a blog about uh, top 10 trekking places in Karnataka or in Bengaluru. And if your content is good, you have mentioned some very nice places, then what people will do, as soon as they have searched your website, they have searched for the keywords, they have visited your website, and if they have liked your content, what they will do, they will share it with their friends. Okay, these are the top tracking platforms. Let's go at this tracking platform this weekend. How cool is that? If this is cool for people for visiting your website, this is cool for Google also. If people are saving your content by bookmarking, we bookmark all the pictures on Instagram, right? On or Facebook also, we bookmark a lot of blogs that we get. So on all this platform, if people are bookmarking, they are saving to watch later on YouTube also. If they are saving your content, then this will give a good indication to search engine platforms that this content is good. So content should be so good that people should share, they should save it, they should be able to link it on their website. They should be able, let's say if they are writing one blog, they should be able to mention you over there that I have found this blog and this blog is very good about this particular thing. Let's say a person is writing about their travel experiences. Okay, they have visited one particular city or one particular trek. While writing this blog, what they will do, they will mention that I have found this uh, one particular place which I have been to was on this blog. I have found this on this blog. So they are mentioning you over there. That is shareable content. People are liking it, people are sharing, people are saving it. So your content should be so good that it should naturally boost your engagement. It should naturally help people to share it with their friends, with their family, or anybody with their want to. We have covered, I think, over here one, two, three, four, five points. And these are some basic things, right, which I'm talking about. We will deep dive into all these things in the later stages. Now, the sixth thing is the title, URL, description, meta keywords, key phrases to get views here. So your title should be good. Because see, if you are searching for something and you are seeing a lot of titles over here. So I search for digital marketing. See, what is digital marketing? So as soon as I'm seeing what is digital marketing by marketer, I will go visit their website, I will read their blog. Why? Because this is very simple. If I'm searching for digital marketing, my mind, I don't know anything about digital marketing. I want to learn about digital marketing. What is digital marketing? The second is the who, what, why, and how of digital marketing, HubSpot blog. They have generated curiosity, right? They have mentioned all the questions over here about digital marketing. So they are going to answer about all the things. So their title is good. Digital marketing made simple, a step-by-step guide. Neil Patel. He is one of the biggest guy in SEO. So you can see his title also, a step-by-step guide. So as soon as you are seeing his blog, you will know that if I'm visiting this website, I will get uh, I will get the SEO guide or the digital marketing guide, step-by-step guide will be there on this particular. So your title should be good. This is one thing. Then your URL. So let's say I'm visiting uh, this Neil Patel blog. So as soon as I'm visiting over here, see, my URL is what is digital marketing. Simple and clear. There are no percentage sign that you will see on Amazon and all these places for their products. So there are no percentage signs. There are no post ID and all this thing, post ID 90 and all those things you will see on a lot of creepy websites. So this is very simple. As soon as I'm seeing this, I'm getting what I'm like where I am. I will be able to get this idea where I am. What is this marketing? This is there on the title. So if I'm linking this to somewhere, Google will get an idea because the keywords are there in my title. So title is important. Then meta keywords are important. So we'll talk about meta keywords. Uh, So if we'll inspect, you will find keywords over here. What is this marketing? Technology. So I think Neil Patel is not using keywords because see, now Google have already mentioned that keywords are not very important, but a lot of bloggers, a lot of SEOs are still using it. And I think we should use it because uh, Neil Patel blog and all these are very famous blogs, but still Google is considering, according to my experience, Google is still considering meta keyword. So let's visit any other blog. I think we should visit any other blog and we should be able to find it. So meta keyword will give an idea to Google that what this blog is all about. And key phrases is also the same thing, but let's say uh, black shoes is a keyword and where I can find black shoes in Bangalore. This is a key phrase. So you need to use both of them accordingly. And I will tell you how we are going to use all of those things in the coming chapters. This blog is not using keywords also. Hmm. See, actually, Google have already in their, I think, blog or in their some statement, they have already told that keywords are not necessary nowadays because Google is actually reading all your content on your website, and according to that, they are ranking your content over there. But if you want to rank on any other platform, let's say Bing or Yahoo, you need keywords because all these platforms are not that advanced. These search engines are not that advanced, and they will be able to read your content. So see, over here, this is the tag for meta keywords. So all these keywords are here, and you need to mention all this keyword to tell Google what your page is all about. So you need to mention keywords, and I will suggest you to use keywords if you want to rank on other platforms, so other search engines also, not just in Google. I think on Google it's not necessary now, but on other platforms it is very much necessary. And then one is snippets of schema, not sigma, snippet schema code. So see, this is not a ranking factor schemas, but let's say you are ranking for some particular keyword, uh, top 10 cities in India. So see, this is also a schema, but to see, as soon as I am typing these keywords, how to do digital marketing, I'm getting this result. So I'm not visiting this blog. So Google is fetching all this thing from this blog, but I'm not visiting this blog. So I'm getting this knowledge card over here. And this you can get if you're using schemas and all those things. So what this will do, this can increase your CTR. Let's search for this. Airport taxi. So see, this company, Savari.com, they are using schema over here. So this is the 5-star rating that you can actually use on your website. If you're taking ratings on your website, you can use it This will improve the CTR. So let's say I am seeing this result, this result, this result, and this result. The This is the only page which is somewhat different, right? And you will be urged to click on this because you have already seen that this is providing 4.5 rating. Like we have seen this 4.5 rating for this particular company. So you will click on this particular link. So this will improve the CTR, the click-through rate on your website. The clicks from the visitors on this particular search page will be more on your website. This will increase it. So schemas are used for all these things. And all these codes are freely available on schema.org. You can just type schema.org, and over there you can find all the codes for all different kinds of schemas that you can use for any industry that you want to work in travel industry, and uh, travel hotel industry, or wherever you want to work. So if you want to use schemas and get some exceptional results, but this will only work when, see, if you are on second page or third page, and if you are working on schema, this won't be beneficial for you. Why? Because nobody is going to see your schema over there. But only if you are on first page, then you can start working on schemas to get some exceptional results. Because if you are getting some exceptional results, the click-through rate on your website will be more. More people will land on your website. They will convert. So don't work on schema if you're not on first page of Google. If you're on first page of Google, then you can start working on schema because this won't take much time. Uh, Let me give you an example. Like if you want this star rating over here on your website, so it will take only 30 minutes to 1 hour. So what you need to do, you need to just put the code on your website, and as soon as the code is there, you need to fetch your website with Google. You can go to Google Webmaster or Search Console. Over there, you can fetch your website. It will take some half an hour, and max to max 1 hour. Google will say that it will take 24 hours, but max to max, I think it will take 1 hour, and you can start seeing your results over here. So yeah, it won't take much time. You can take the schema part later in your life. And I will tell you, I think I have not mentioned schemas. I have not had schemas over here. So we will talk about schemas also in the end of this course. At the end of this course, we will talk about schemas also. So yeah, I think I have completed 4 slides over here, and we have discussed a lot of things regarding search engine optimization. And I think you have got an overview what search engine optimization is going to be, what results you are going to get as soon as you are searching a keyword over here and you are reaching over here, what organic results you will get, what paid results are, and what are the basic things that are required, how search engine work, how search things, how the algorithm works. So all the things we have discussed in very brief. Now from next video onwards, we are going to take all these things in super advanced level, and we are going to discuss each and everything so that you can understand it better. You can start applying these things on your website. You can start applying this for your blogs, and you can start getting results. So I will just conclude this video over here, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.